Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Ann, and normally we do makeup unboxings, makeup looks, makeup tutorials, or really anything that contains to makeup. But today we are doing an unboxing. I do a lot of unboxings, but this one has nothing to do with makeup. It's kind of like fashion. It's jewelry, and this is Earfleek. It is a monthly earring subscription. It costs us $3.49 a month, and you get a cute pair of earrings. And they charge you pretty much on the 15th of the month, and then they pretty much ship it right out the same day. And I really like that about them. And I really like how they're doing their packages now. I did tear the back off so that it would make it easier. But style is what you do with it. Fashion is what you buy, is what it says. But I do like these better, and I like how they've been putting like the bubble envelope in there too. Okay, so here is the second little package inside, and it just says Earfleek on both sides. Okay, so we did get the card. I will leave a referral link down below, but they send you this card. They just started this like every month for a free pair of earrings plus free shipping. This is like you refer friends, and they use your code, and you will get, if they stay subscribed, you'll get a free pair of earrings. So here this is, and here is the back, in case you can pause the video if it'll come in. There we go. But I will put a referral link down in the description box. So I haven't got my hair done yet. It's still like half red, half blonde. I'm going to finish it this week. I've been waiting because my hair has been like, and I don't blame the bleach for it. I do not think it's got anything to do with the bleach, but it is struggling, and I think it's really coming from where I've been wearing my hair up a lot, and I'm working outside, and I think the rubber band, and where I'm getting like hot and sweaty, and it's like breaking my hair, and so I was just trying to give my hair a little bit of time before I put anything else to it. So we still got all this like red back in here, but I do like it blonde. I'm not gonna lie. I know when I was like 16, I bleached my hair blonde. I did not like it. I had my hair like purple. It was beautiful. I loved it, but parents don't allow you to have your hair purple, or mine didn't. And when I was 18, I did do like a Roxy red, and it was like beautiful too. But it did like, it was professionally done, which purple was professionally done, and the red was professionally done. And it like stained my scalp, and everything was horrible. But after a few days, got the scalp done, and it was just like a beautiful color. Okay, but that's not what we're here for, to talk about my hair. So here is the little bag with our earrings in it. That color is like so iconic, because look, it's like my eyeshadow. And I just got it, my mom gave me a purse, same color, and I went yesterday and picked up these. Look, it's like everything's like matching. And I only paid like $4 for these. They're teal, and I think these are absolutely beautiful. I haven't worn them yet. I was going to wear them today, but we have this to do. So kind of iconic that I got like a teal color in here too. So like everything lately has been like teal. When I bought these, that one was like, well, it matches your purse and your everything else you got on today. And it's like seems like teal is just part of my life right now. Okay, so we did, before we look at the earrings, so we got the little card. It says Earfleek. And then on the back, they are saying these are retailed for $15.99. You like focus it in. I got new linings. I'm trying to adjust it to the perfect thing. I've got I bought a couple new microphones. I've bought like a few different linings. I've got a new ring light now, so hopefully my lighting works out and we don't have like all that weird stuff going on. Okay, so they're worth like $16. If you're in Canada, they're worth $20.98. Europe is $14.99 and GBP is $12.99. Okay, so here is the earrings. So cute. Okay, I just had my alcohol. It fell in the floor. Okay, so before ever putting earrings in, even though they're brand new, always make sure that you are taking a alcohol. I'm going to use one of my little gel nail wipes. What are they? Lint free or something. I don't really believe that. I kind of think sometimes they get something. I need to get my nails done, but I've been like super busy. But with earrings, you really don't know what's been on them, so you always want to make sure that you are cleaning them because ear infections are not fun. And sometimes it can damage the piercing where it will grow up and you may have to re-pierce again. I knew a girl that done that, and I don't know, it seems like every time I don't think she like ever cleaned any of her earrings, so it was like really weird. These are so cute. I wonder something. But you can go out and you can find, these was on sale yesterday. These are normally $12, I think, these right here, but I think I just had it on a deal. Okay. Fix my fringes. Since they are the same color, if it will drop perfect, it will look so cute. If it's a little bit longer, the heart could be like centered, but it is kind of cute together. But I really do like them. I think they're like really, really cute. I don't know if I'll wear them a lot. They are gold. I really like silver. This is kind of like gold too. Normally I wear where I'm cool skin. Silver looks the best on me, and that's what I got on today. It does have like a little gold in it, but normally cool skin people looks better in silver. Warm tone people looks better in gold. It's just something about our skin type. The silver looks better. But I do like them, and for $3.49 really ain't that bad. But then I always say, you know, you can get on eBay. It might take a month or two to get it, but you can always get on eBay and order some really cute earrings for less than $1. They do come from China, so it will take like a month, sometimes a month and a half. I've had stuff ordering like nail polish and stuff to take 2 months. I really don't like to order nail polish, any kind. I don't order any kind of makeup. Now, like earrings, I do order, but it has to be like nothing that's going to go on your skin. Anything on your skin, don't order from China because we don't know what's in it. And normally it is, a lot of times it's just fake makeup, and it does have poo in it, and we don't want that on our face. And it causes really bad reactions. I've seen people with really bad chemical burns. There was a few years ago, there was a girl selling the Kylie Jenner lipstick kit, and I think it was like the holiday set. It had like 5 or 6, I forget what it was, but it was like the little box about this big, and she was selling them for like $10, $15 a piece. And now I didn't buy none because I knew better. If I'm going to buy it, I'm going to go online and I'm going to go to the website and I'm going to get it from where I know that it is legit. But a lot of people had really severe chemical burns, and they brought the stuff back. And, you know, her not being a retailer, and she's just on the side, pretty much on the side of the road selling, you know, you don't get your money back, and you know you've lost your money and you're stuck with fake stuff, and I'm not doing it. I'm always going to buy my makeup from trusted people like stores, because it's just better. I don't want nothing that's going to do any kind of chemical burns to my face, and I've got a lot of makeup, and it's just I don't really want to go spend. And I've seen them sell them like Urban Decay and stuff like that. Goes up to, you know, like $20 a pallet. They're like $50, $49.99, $60. Come on, people. If you're going to spend $20, why don't you go ahead and spend the extra $20, $30 and get the real thing and not have the chemical burns. That's just all I got to say. I know I am poor and I ain't got no lie to tell about it, but I am, and it's just something I can't bring myself to do is buy it. And I will save up. Subscription boxes helps build your collections, but like, I think this one was like, I think, what was it, $52. You know, I had the money saved back, the extra, because I know something's coming out. I will start saving. But, you know, I'd rather save my money or not get it. Like, I really wanted the cremated palette. When it came out, I didn't get it because I didn't have the money. And talking about money, I don't know. I just really, really want to rant about this. So, when I got my stimulus checks, I didn't get it for my kids, which that's not the thing. So I ended up with my $1,200 it went for my house and like whatever I needed. And I wanted to buy the kids a pool, and I was having trouble finding them. If I would have bought it like when I first got my money, like I should have, you know, I would have had a pool, and not for the price that I gave. And I don't have a pool and I don't have no money. It's just ridiculous. So I get on Walmart.com and I buy a pool. It's like $164.98, $163.98. That's taxes and all. And so I end up buying this pool. It's like 12 by 30. And it's not really the one I wanted because it was the easy setup. I really wanted the hard pool, but I couldn't find one. So I was like, you know, the kids really need a pool. And so I spent like let's say $165, because 98 cents, you know, that's pretty much $1. And so I do it, and it was supposed to be delivered on the 4th of June. Well, I did not get it. So they wrote me back and they said, well, it'll be the 9th. So I was like, okay, I can wait. And I think that was like on a Monday or a Tuesday. So, you know, I was going to wait, but I seen they hadn't shipped it out. But I was like, you know, FedEx is pretty fast, or UPS. So I wasn't really worried. And on the 9th, I didn't get it. On the 11th, on the 9th, I did write the company and I talked to them. And that's like my first time writing them. They had, you know, told me it was a delay. And so it was like no big deal. So I wrote them on the 9th, and they's like, well, we don't have it in stock. It was a glitch in Walmart's system because they are a third-party seller. It was like AMI Ventures. So I was like, okay. And but they said, we will send you your refund. You'll get it in a couple of days. I was like, okay. So, you know, I'll take my money and I'll go buy a pool somewhere else. And so I waited a couple of days, didn't get my money. So on the 11th, I wrote Walmart. I talked to Walmart. They's like, well, since it's a third-party seller, we're going to have to, I don't know, something. They'd have to go over it, and they'd let me know. So I got off the phone with her, and I was, sometime about 2 o'clock in the morning, they had wrote and said, you're approved. You will get a refund, and we're sorry about everything and blah blah blah. Well, I waited a couple more days, didn't get my refund, so I got back on the got my phone out, and first I started talking, then I got on the phone. I decided I'd rather do a telephone call, so I'd done that, and I talked to some man this time. I forget what his name was, but he said, I seen where your refund wasn't posted, so he's like, but give it 3 to 5 days this time is what it was. Yeah, 3 to 5 days, and you should get a refund. So I waited. Then 3 to 5 days, like a week. I gave it a week. And finally, I'm like, last week I wrote them, and they's like, well, I talked to this one woman, then I talked to another woman, and the first woman was like, well, we're really sorry. I see, they did say they seen where I didn't get my refund. Then the second woman said that, you know, they'd sent the money, and they're not going to do it again, and they gave me this code and told me to call the bank. And I'd already called the bank anyway because the man had gave me the same code. And I don't know. And they's like, well, we can't resend it. The seller said, the last woman I talked to said the seller said he sent it. And so we personally can't resend money to you. And I was like, you're not resending it because I've never got it. And it's like really, really aggravated about it. And it's like, so I've called the bank 2 or 3 times, and it's like, no, it didn't come in. It didn't come in. And that one woman was really just like a bee about it. I said like this. I said, they gave me a code, and at first, it's like first time I called, I didn't remember the amount. I was like, maybe, I said, I can't remember. I was like, it was around like $168. And I said Walmart, but it was AMI Ventures, and, because it was a third-party seller. And she's like, I was lying to her, and finally she comes back. She's like, well, I do see it. I was like, yeah, I've got the receipt. And I was like, it's $164.98. And she's like, yes, I seen that. You've done that on the first or second. But she's like, there's no money came in. There's nothing we can do. And I was like, well, they said it might be on a hold and for it to reappear in my account. I don't know. It's just so aggravating that I'm not ordering anything else from Walmart.com. I am done with them. I will never order nothing again because I've lost $165 and I don't have the money to rebuy my kids a pool. So, I don't know. Watch what you're buying online because you're not always, if you don't get your item, you don't always get your money back. I guess that's a lesson learned, and I guess I'll figure out how to get the kids a pool another way. But it's just really aggravating when, you know, you do something and you buy it and you really think you're going to get it. If I knew all this, I wouldn't have ordered to start with, but now I wish I would have just left it alone and waited until it came back in stock, and then they could have sent it to me because this is just way too much. Because I can't believe my money's never showed up, and that's been since the 11th is when I was approved for a refund. But I guess that's it. Sorry, I just had to rant about it. I normally don't rant, but it's like really, really aggravated because, you know, poor people can't turn around and buy something again because we just don't have the money. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys did like this unboxing video, and I'm sorry about the rant, but I had to talk to somebody about it, and who better to talk to than you guys. And I guess that is it. If you guys would like to try, like I said, I will leave Earfleek's code down below in the description box if you want to try it. And I will leave some other information down below too. And I do have a mailing address now, a P.O. box, if anybody would like to write me. And I will put that down in there. I would love to hear from you guys, because I think the world of you guys, and I really appreciate everybody that is subscribed. But I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.